Got your seatbelt on, sir? Seatbelt. We don't want to see nothing happen to you. A lot of police officers die from not wearing a seatbelt. Have you ever arrested somebody who was crying and begging you, please don't do it, please don't do it, it's going to ruin my life? Seatbelt, seatbelt, seatbelt.
Seatbelt on, yo.
See, this is the big story here.
He doesn't.
Seatbelt, seatbelt.
Seatbelt compliance check. You got your seatbelt on? Shut up and put your seatbelt on.
Make sure you hear that, please.
All right, if I catch one more, it's going to be a huge lawsuit, especially from this district. We're sick and tired of paying for your mistakes.
Click it or ticket, buddy.
You are protesting?
No, we're doing a story about officers not wearing their seatbelts. Everybody's been ill.
Oh, okay.
And every single...
So you guys are doing your own investigation?
Wait, could you use that radio? Could you say, guys, could you put your seatbelts on? What's up, everybody? We're at the 22nd District in North Philly. We're here with Southeastern PA community watching the resistance. Take some inventory of our vehicles.
Hi, buddy. How are you? Good, yourself? Good to hear. Good to hear.
What you eating?
Get my protein on.
Oh, protein bar? Good. I thought it was junk food.
I don't eat junk.
Good.
Only healthy things in my body.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
You guys are not forced to wear those silly masks? You guys are not forced to wear those silly masks? It's up to you, though.
I'm in the car right now.
But when you come out, they make you wear them.
I do wear it.
Is it a policy?
It is.
Is it really? Wow. Oh, good. You stay safe, man.
How's it going?
They ain't seen too bad.
Guys, get this vehicle moved. It's in the pavement. It's on the sidewalk. Get that vehicle moved. Then take an oath, right?
Who's yelling, shut up?
I don't know. Somebody yelled, shut up. Yeah, probably. We never examined these people before. We've never been to the 22nd. Little office windows inside there.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Wheelchair trying to get by.
Just do me a favor, sir. Videotape all you want. You can't block us, alright?
Well, I
Just
won't
don't
block.
block this when we're coming out,
I
alright?
won't block this. When somebody come out, get out the way. I'll be sure of that.
Always got to give a directive.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Walk to remove this vehicle from off the pavement.
Resistance here.
That's a good thing.
South PA, Southeastern PA over here. All right, now we can walk by. We got a stop up the street.
I see something going on, man. I see that.
Is that those guys?
The guys that pulled out turned left at that light. So that's pretty far down. What's that, about 3 blocks?
Yeah, that's pretty far down there, man. Thank you for your cooperation, sir. Okay, we got the car moved. It's off the sidewalk now. People can get by again here in the community around it.
You ask me, they got all this free time.
Yep, that's what I always say.
Look at the boys coming out. Don't block the road wherever you do. Oh my God. God forbid. You got the seatbelts on?
Got your seatbelt on, sir? Seatbelt. We don't want to see nothing happen to you. A lot of police officers die from not wearing a seatbelt.
Thank you. Can you put your mask on, please? Appreciate that. You can ask me all you want, sure.
What group you represent, or what's your thoughts?
We the people. That's what I represent. We the people.
Okay.
Would you mind putting your mask on, sir? It's like a pandemic going on out here.
I won't put my mask on, my man.
I appreciate that. You mind giving me your name and badge, please?
How about that seatbelt? That's a policy.
Seem like you kind of hostile.
Well, let me back up if you feel that way. Let me back up.
When you drive our vehicles, we want them to be safe.
Who's the
Man to man. Regardless of what's going on, we're part of the human race. Correct?
I don't believe so. You're part of the blue line gang.
Have you ever arrested some?
That's your real opinion.
You're part of the blue line gang.
Can I ask you?
That's the truth.
Have you ever arrested somebody who was crying and begging you, please don't do it, please don't do it, it's gonna ruin my life?
You roll up the window on his boss.
Oh no.
Does he have his seatbelt on?
He didn't put his seatbelt
Thanks for
on
putting
yet.
that mask on, bro. I appreciate that. We the people appreciate that.
Tell him the seatbelt's more important than that silly mask.
Your seatbelt is more important. You should put that on as well.
Especially when you're driving my vehicle.
Put your mask on, please.
Seatbelt,
Seatbelt,
seatbelt.
Seatbelt on, yo, 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 yo.
See, this is the big story here.
2243, no seatbelt, breaking policy.
Everybody's been telling me in emails and stuff that the cops don't be wearing their seatbelt around here.
When they're driving our vehicles.
And it's true.
Insurance company states they need to. Tired of paying for their...
Sorry for getting in y'all frame. Man.
Oh, you're good, man.
Fine.
Yep, and so far I haven't seen one officer wear a seatbelt out of here. So everybody was correct.
He said I seemed kind of hostile. So I said, well, let me back up if you feel that.
Yeah, I don't want you to feel threatened there, buddy. Scaredy pants.
Let's see if he has his seatbelt on. We want to...
He doesn't.
Seatbelt? Seatbelt?
Put your seatbelt on for me, please.
Seatbelt compliance check. You got your seatbelt on?
There's a big story. There's a lot of people saying that the officers at the 22nd don't wear their seatbelts.
Oh, good. So you did not.
Oh, so you can answer some of those questions.
Good.
Go ahead. I just want to make sure that
We was already given that directive and
Yeah,
we never
yeah.
even done it.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Yeah, we never blocked anybody.
My name is Sergeant Sutler. There's 8855. But pretty much.
Yeah, we don't need that. We don't need that directive again. We already was given that, and we never even did it. So we good. You have a nice day, sir.
But the seatbelt thing seems to be a big issue here.
I was right around when I came right
Since
here.
you're a
It's not
sergeant, we just saw 4 other cars leave without their seatbelts on. It is a policy when you drive one of our vehicles, your insurance company states that you have to have a seatbelt on. And if I see one more time, we're actually going to do a citizen's arrest on you.
Did you know the number? Did you?
Oh, no, so you guys are special then. You guys are special, so you can arrest us for not wearing a seatbelt. Hold on, I'm talking right now.
Okay. And then,
Okay.
But you don't need to tell
You
us
can
that,
arrest us
officer,
for not
because
wearing
we
a
haven't even
seatbelt,
done
but
it
we can't
already.
do it for you. So you see the 2 different
No,
lines.
we tell
Yeah, but the
them
number
we
one
haven't done it,
cause-
so don't tell us what to do.
The number one cause of officer deaths is seatbelts, not wearing a seatbelt.
Wait a minute. Hear me clearly. I'm telling you, don't tell me to do that because I haven't done it.
Shut up and put your seatbelt on.
Make sure you hear that, please.
All right, if I catch one more, it's going to be a huge lawsuit, especially from this district. We're sick and tired of paying for your mistakes. And your abuse. And your extortion.
Click it or ticket, buddy.
Good puppy.
Thanks for putting that seatbelt on. Don't tell me what to do when I didn't do it, all right?
Go on the radio and say, everybody put your seatbelts on.
Trying to overtalk on me, you piece of shit.
Let's see what's going on out front.
Oh, shit.
Every single officer out here, no seatbelt. It's true, it's true. How you doing, ma'am?
How you doing?
Oh, you got the shield too.
Shield on on and everything.
Are you out here giving us directives as well? Because you look like you want to call right now. And it's for us.
Yeah, it was in reference to a protest.
Yeah, we already received that information.
We do-
don't need you to give us any more directives. We already tried to receive directives from 2 other officers, and we haven't even done anything.
Okay, no. They said that you guys were protesting. You are protesting?
No, we're doing a story about officers not wearing their seatbelts. Everybody's been ill,
Oh, okay.
and every single.
So you guys are doing your own investigation.
don't
Wait,
answer
could you use that
questions.
radio?
We don't
Could you
answer
say, guys,
questions.
could you put your seatbelts on? You know, because 4 units came out already. They refused to put their seatbelt on. Now, the sergeant or lieutenant down there, he ended up putting a seatbelt on. The number one cause of police officer fatalities is car accidents with no seatbelt, and we want to make sure everybody's safe.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Why's your did an officer die? Why's your flag at half mast? Oh, the one they buried just yesterday.
Right.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that was a while ago. Yeah.
right. So you guys are not, it's not a protest. You guys are just
No, we're just doing
your own.
seatbelt inspections.
Okay.
And when you guys have failed, every car that pulled out did not have a seatbelt on, and maybe you want to pass it along.
Okay.
It's a policy, insurance company that pays for this,
The
demands.
taxpayers are liable when things happen, and
It's just, a lot of officers die from not wearing a seatbelt. We don't want to see that.
it's the number one cause of police officer fatalities is crashes without seatbelts
So
on.
you
So
guys weren't obstructing the
no,
live,
everybody
all that
keeps
kind of
coming
stuff.
out there giving us that
You
directive,
got
but
cameras, right? You guys got cameras, right?
Stand by. So you were
Check the cameras out.
Yeah.
We don't answer questions.
right.
we weren't
You
blocking
just
anybody
standing
from
on the
coming
side.
in and out. Nobody was trying to come in and
Right.
out. We were walking down the
I
sidewalk.
like your professionalism.
Thank you.
Because, you know, although you guys are doing what you're doing, sometimes it's okay to be nice.
Okay, well, I don't like your professionalism because you
Okay.
didn't conduct a proper
You know, and it's
investigation.
okay because
You went off of
we
what
have
you
to,
heard
we
and
have
you came
to
out here and you
learn.
approached us.
We have to
You should have
learn
checked
to
on
get
cameras
along
to find
regardless
out
of
what
the
was going on
conflict.
before you approach a
Anything
private
but
citizen
anti-police.
on a public sidewalk. So before you approach a private citizen on a public sidewalk, conduct the proper investigation before you ask
I
them
just think
questions.
that we ought to be
because
civil.
We have a camera system in there. You should
We ought
just
to
check
be
it out to
civil
make
to each
sure we
other.
didn't come on property.
Because
That's all you got to do.
your
miss.
concern might be
That's
our
all you have to
concern.
do.
You
You don't have to come out and approach a private citizen.
I
and
appreciate it.
ask
You
them
guys have a
what
good
they
day.
were doing.
Just remember the seatbelt thing. Just radiate over. Hey guys, remember to get your seatbelts. Be safe. You know.
See, he died because he didn't wear a seatbelt. Died in the line of duty.
No, he wasn't in a car.
Wasn't he? That's good.
No. He was a victim of a robbery.
Okay, really?
Okay.
You guys are dismissed. Have a nice day.
You have a good day.
See you.
This guy died in Vietnam. 2015, not too long ago, man.
Let's see if this guy's wearing a seatbelt. Oh, he is. That's the guy. Yeah, he's still wearing his seatbelt.
He is. Good. You know, we
Good
should have
for
little
him.
stars we should give him. Whoever's got a seatbelt on, we should give him a little star.
There's where the curb ends. There's the entrance. Here's me. Oh, zoomed in. He's got his seatbelt on.
That's where the
still.
employee parking lot is, Wolfie.
Let's see if this guy's wearing a seatbelt.
He's talking to that lady.
Seatbelt check. Seatbelt check. Seatbelt check. Seatbelt check. Seatbelt check. Seatbelt, sir. Please wear your seatbelt. Please.
No seatbelt?
No seatbelt.
Shocker.
Seatbelt check. Seatbelt check.
That's their personal lot. Okay.
Yep.
Seatbelt check.
He's walking. He's walking. He's on it. He's make sure.
He's
we
making
don't
sure we don't block the driveway. He's over here. He's on it. He's the blocking the driveway Nazi right here.
Are you protesting?
Yeah.
See if you got a seatbelt on.
Look at these guys. They're still coming down the sidewalk. Resistance asking about the tint on the vehicle and it being parked on the sidewalk. Everybody putting their seatbelts on now. You put it across the radio.
Because we just got a call that you guys are messing with people's car.
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you just...
No, we're just recording the illegal tint that's on the vehicles around here.
Oh, okay.
Because we would get a ticket for being that dark. Or the one over there is completely black.
Right. Okay. Somebody told us that you guys were doing something to somebody's car.
No.
Oh, okay.
So she said somebody told them
Wow.
that we were doing something to somebody's car as we were recording.
They're getting snowflake.
You guys cameras in there?
No.
Why you guys can't check the cameras to find out if we did anything wrong? Because we're just casually walking and recording. As you can see, we're not going anywhere.
I don't see the cameras.
You don't see any cameers? Okay. But you guys felt as though y'all had to approach us to ask us if we
I
wouldn't say
approached him. I didn't approach you at all. 'Cause you've been very,
I'm out
very
here as well.
hostile.
No, I haven't been
approached this
hostile,
young
man. I haven't been
He's
hostile.
very professional.
I haven't
And
been
just ask him a
hostile.
question. I will not
I haven't been
tolerate
hostile.
disrespect, so I'm just totally disregarding you and speaking to your colleagues.
That's no problem. That's no problem at all.
Hey, sir,
can
you
keep walking
always
as
wear your
well.
seatbelt, don't you?
You can keep walking as well.
All right, good.
I'm not out here to be respectful. I'm here to keep you
I
accountable.
deal with professionalism.
I'm not here to be respectful. I'm here to keep you accountable.
You definitely see that.
I'm here to keep you accountable.
Not
Stay accountable. Just stay accountable, ma'am. That's all. Just stay accountable and stop approaching us as we haven't done anything. That's all.
I'm doing rounds
That's
around
all.
this building, and I will approach anybody
I
if I
don't do
want
no
to.
rounds around this building. You talking jibber jabber right now. Y'all don't do no rounds.
Citations for these vehicles that are, there's one that's uninspected that's on the road. You can have that towed. The first black vehicle in front of your building, it's actually got a 420 inspection, it's now 520. So that needs to be
But
towed.
you know it's a delay on that, but I'll check that out. Which vehicle?
That may be correct.
Yeah, there's a delay on it, but which vehicle?
It's the very first one as you to make the turn here. You'll see it says
Inside the building?
no, right parked on the road.
In front of the building? Okay, I'll check
All
that out.
right, watch. When one of these guys leaves, can you check to see? Watch. You'll see them. They'll come out.
That's how it works? Yes. Really? So we can't just give tickets, but you can give tickets for tickets, but it's coronavirus.
For the tenant, you have to be driving.
Guys, Sergeant wants you to wear your seatbelts, he said. Good.
All right, man. Well, thanks, buddy. Good information.
Yes, it will.
Just what I'm saying. He's too fat to listen.
Seatbelt will save his life, he said.
Those two still jawing at each other.
The resistance and this officer over here are just made for each other. That's a match
They really
made
are,
in
man.
heaven down
That's
there.
hilarious. I didn't know that about the tinted windows. You have to be driving, huh? Interesting. So they can't put a ticket on this car right here because it's not being driven.
Yeah, it's weird.
But if it was on the road and with the tinted windows, then it could be.
It's not a moving violation. Either way, it's not a moving violation.
So it's a fire.
I hear what you're saying, bro. But I'm right out here.
I'm on your side.
I hear you,
I'm
bro.
on his side too.
I'm gonna make sure I edit that out because I didn't know. I thought this was a police vehicle.
My question is, why the hell are they so worried about it?
You guys do regular rounds around this district? Regular rounds? I lived around here for years. I never seen you guys walking around here. Only when there was a problem.
We didn't get any feedback from their name.
You know what? Don't spend too much time.
It is what it is.
Exactly. All right, well, thanks, guys.
You're
All
welcome.
right, you guys are dismissed. Just like y'all do, you right. Just like
Yo.
everybody.
Let's go straight.
Right.
And then
Walk
turn
around.
straight, turn, yeah.
Right.
No seatbelts.
Really?
And 2 more with no seatbelts.
Good eye.